Welcome to the exciting world of investing, where opportunities abound and financial goals become attainable through strategic decision-making and disciplined action. Whether you're a novice investor looking to dip your toes into the market or a seasoned pro seeking to refine your strategies, understanding the fundamentals of investing is essential for long-term success. In this introduction, we'll embark on a journey to explore the basics of investing, empowering you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. Chapter 1. The Essence of Investing. At its core, investing is the act of deploying capital with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. It's about putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow in value, generate income, or both. Unlike saving, which involves setting aside money for short-term goals or emergencies, investing is focused on building wealth and achieving long-term financial objectives. Chapter 2. Why invest? Investing offers a multitude of benefits that can profoundly impact your financial well-being. Wealth accumulation. Investing provides a pathway to grow your wealth over time through the power of compounding returns. By earning returns on your initial investment, as well as on the returns generated over time, you can exponentially increase your wealth. Beating inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Investing in assets that outpace inflation helps preserve the value of your savings and ensures that your money retains its purchasing power over the long term. Financial freedom. Through prudent investing, you can create passive income streams that enable you to achieve financial independence and pursue your desired lifestyle without being reliant on traditional employment. Chapter 3. Getting started with investing. Embarking on your investment journey begins with laying a solid foundation. Educate yourself, take the time to learn about different investment options, strategies, and market dynamics. Familiarize yourself with concepts such as risk and return, asset allocation, and diversification. Set clear goals, define your investment objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Establishing clear, measurable goals will guide your investment strategy and help you stay focused on what matters most. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand your tolerance for risk and volatility. Determine how much risk you're comfortable taking with your investments and align your portfolio accordingly. Start small. Begin with small, manageable investments as you gain experience and confidence in the market. Consider low-cost, diversified investment options such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to get started. Chapter 4. The Investment Landscape. The world of investing offers a diverse array of options to suit every investor's preferences and objectives. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for capital appreciation and dividends. Stocks are considered higher-risk investments, but also have the potential for higher returns. Bonds, debt securities issued by governments or corporations, providing fixed income streams through periodic interest payments. Bonds are generally considered lower-risk investments compared to stocks. Mutual funds, pooled funds managed by professional portfolio managers, offering diversification across various assets and investment styles. Mutual funds provide convenience and access to professional expertise. Real estate, investing in physical properties for rental income, capital appreciation, or both. Real estate offers diversification and the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Chapter 5. Principles of Successful Investing. Successful investing is not merely about picking the right stocks or timing the market. It's about adhering to fundamental principles that guide your decision-making process and help you achieve your financial goals. Here are some key principles to keep in mind. Long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Adopt a long-term mindset and resist the temptation to react impulsively to short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your investment goals and stay committed to your strategy, even during periods of volatility. Diversification. As mentioned earlier, diversification is crucial for managing risk and optimizing returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Risk management. Understand and manage the risks associated with your investments. Consider factors such as market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, and geopolitical risk when making investment decisions. Diversification, asset allocation, and periodic portfolio rebalancing are effective risk management techniques. Conclusion: investing is not just about making money. It's about securing your financial future and realizing your life goals. By understanding the fundamentals of investing, setting clear objectives, and adhering to sound investment principles, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence and conviction. Remember, investing is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Start your journey today and unlock the doors to a brighter financial future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.